This video will go over how to set up the buyer's preferred language settings using FeedbackWiz. FeedbackWiz has the ability to detect the buyer's preferred language settings within the buyer's Amazon account. So if you were to set up the buyer's preferred language settings, keep in mind that if you are using a pre-built template, you wouldn't have to worry about this as we already have the translated languages provided for you. If you would like to see which languages that we do provide, click on the Manage Language Variations button within your template editor page. Once you click on this button, a pop-up will appear with all the languages that we do provide, and we will continue to provide more. This is your main template right here, so if you click on any of the Manage Language Variations, these would be the child templates. So let's go ahead and click on the Spanish version. If you wanted to go ahead and click on Edit. So once you click on the Spanish version, you'll be able to see that this is that same exact template except the language is translated on this side, and you can always go back to that main template by clicking on the parent template right here. So yes, the pre-built templates come already translated for you. If you do decide to create your own template, then you would have to translate your own message. So to show you those steps, go ahead and go into your template manager and click on Create New Email Template. FeedbackWiz will not automatically translate your custom templates. You would need to copy and paste your own translated messages into FeedbackWiz. So first of all, go ahead and create your own template. We're going to go ahead and create one for product instructions. Regarding your Amazon order. So let's go ahead and create the template message right here. So I'm going to go ahead and save this as English and click Save. So since this is a custom template, you would have to go into this button, Manage Language Variations. As you'll see, none of the variations are provided since this is a custom template and you would need to translate it yourself. So let's go ahead and translate the Spanish one by clicking Edit. So once you click on that Spanish version, you'll be able to see, since this is a custom template, there's nothing provided right here, and you would need to go ahead and paste in your own translations. You can use Google if you would like to paste in these translations. So let's go ahead and fix this up. I have used Google. Okay, so now that the Spanish translations have been pasted in, I have used Google to make these translations. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Save. So as you can see, this is just going to be a child template, and the parent template is going to be this product instructions one. Go ahead and click back into it. So this is the parent template. I'm going to go ahead and click on Manage Language Variations again, and you can now see that English and Spanish are both checked right here. So that means that these language variations have been inputted, and these are the remaining ones that would be needed. But in general, it's good to have all languages set up, but the majority of your emails will be based on your selected marketplace. So prioritize the language of your selected marketplace. When the buyer-seller messaging email is sent out, FeedbackWiz will detect to see if you have a message set up in the buyer's preferred language for that specific order. If you have not set up a template to match the language of the order, FeedbackWiz will not send out an email for that order, as sending emails in the buyer's preferred language is a requirement from Amazon. That's how you set up the buyer's preferred language settings. Within the campaign, you would just use that main template, and it will base off of the languages that you have selected in here when it is ready to send out to the buyer. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more information, please visit feedbackwiz.com.